In this video series, we will complete a Revit structural project in small, easy steps. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. The first step is to open our Revit structural template. Once we open the Revit, we get this recent file menu. Now let's open a new model. Here we will choose a structural template for a structural project. We will create this project in imperial units. These units are predefined in template. Click on Browse, and here click on Up One Level button. Now click on US Imperial folder. Open Structural Analysis default template from the list. This is our structural template in US Imperial units. We will create structural model for the building we created in our video series Complete Project in 12 easy steps. You can also download the file from the link in description. Now let's link architectural file. Go to Insert ribbon. Now click on Revit Link button. Select the Revit architectural file we created earlier. Now open it to link this file. Go to Properties browser and select Level 1 from Structural Plans. We can see that architectural file has been linked. We can see that architectural walls are not visible. To see architectural walls, we will change the discipline of Level 1 from Structure to Coordination. Go to Properties browser. Change discipline from Structure to Coordination. Now we can see all the architectural details in our Level 1. Now let's open Elevation Views. We can see few architectural details here. Now let's match our structural levels with our architectural levels. Go to Modify ribbon. Now select Align button. Now click on Architectural level and then Structural level. Now our levels have been aligned. Let's reduce our level lines as per architectural file. Now our structural template is ready. In our next video, we will create structural grids. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.